some views. Okay, and I want you all to do, you try to insert data in a like view. Okay, if you insert a data in a view, so will it get inserted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, okay. Who gave the answer? I didn't catch you. So, please tell me the name, ma'am. I did not see. Okay.
Motion, sir.
It will
Motion,
get
sir.
Bhushan. Okay. So, if you are inserting inside a view, it will get inserted. Okay. Are you sure? They will ask. If you are
Yes, sir.
telling yes,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay. So, this is not a proper answer. Okay. Because you are creating a view on what fields? You are creating a view on employee number, date of joining, and basic salary, right? So only three fields you are choosing. So actually, this Ashok table, you are creating it from where? This Ashok table has been created from where? The employee table only, no? Okay, this is just a view. So if you are inserting inside a Ashok table, it should reflect in the employee table. So let us just try to insert and see. Let me just try to insert some value. Okay, so insert into Ashok ASH. Okay, Ashok TBL. Ashok table. Okay, then values. If you insert, so employee number, what will you write? So we can write like E00. Okay, E12. We will write. Okay, and comma. The date of joining is in the form of a date. So let me just copy this. Okay. So date of joining is in the form of a date. So we are giving the date form. So let me type like 2021, 1 and 6. Right. So after that we have the basic salary. So basic salary we are giving just in numeral. So let me give like 30 or 3123.12, like that we will write. So yeah, right. So we are trying to insert values inside the Ashok table. Okay. Now, if you see the output, so for this insert, what was the output? So you can see minus 150. The object of insert, delete, or update statement as a view system maintained materialized query table or transition table for which requested operation is not permitted, right? So why is it happening? Minus 150 error is coming. Why is it happening? My question is that why is it happening? Because it is created from your employee table, and over here you have inside your employee table. So let me show you the employee table constraints. So here you have what? The department number you have, okay, that you have taken, but you have department name also, and it is not null constraint, right? It is not null constraint. So when you are entering only the values for department number and your last name and your basic salary or something, date of joining and basic salary, all the other stuff it will insert it as null inside your table, right? Department table, it will insert as null. Then you will get a problem. Then you will get the error as 1 minus 150. So anyone like got confused in this one? Lasha, I think you are new to this one, so your feedback will be proper. Lasha, what do you think? Did you understand what did we do?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir, understood. Yeah. So we have column one which is not null, okay, and column two which is not null, not null. This means what? In both column one and column two, it is compulsory to give some values, right? It is compulsory to give some values. If you are using not null constraint to, if you are using all the not null constraints to create a view, okay. Suppose if you have again the column 3 also, which do not have the not null constraint. So suppose if you are using to create a view, so let us say you have created a view 1, VIEW. Yeah, view 1 you have created with column 1 and column 2, which both are not null, and you are trying to insert some values. That time it will be successful. So SQL code will be 00. It will be successful, right? And if you are creating a view 2 with column 2 and column 3, let us suppose. So at that time, what will happen if you try to insert what SQL code you will get? At that time, what SQL code we will get?
-150.
-150. Yes, -150. That is simple. So like this, you will create a view. So what is the purpose of creating a view? So you can do insertion, deletion, and all those things you can do through the view also. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of creating a view, guys? In fact, Bhushan, what do you think? What is the purpose of creating a view?
Slow.
So suppose if I am telling, suppose I am giving a name to Bhushan as B1. Okay, I am giving a name to Bhushan as B1, and wherever you are going outside with your friends, we will call you as B1, B1, B1. Okay, what is the purpose of creating an artificial name? Okay.
In the C1, we can see only the particular selected column.
No, no, I am telling you for your name. I will give a nickname called as B1. Okay. In your school with your friends, everyone is calling you only B1. Okay. So what advantage do you have? No one knows your real name, right? Only your parents who have put your proper name, they only know what is your proper name, which is there in all Aadhaar card and all those things. So what it will do, it will help you to create a secret identity name. Okay. So the DBA, the database administrator, he will create views. Okay. He will create views, and you will work with those view tables. Actually, the parent table, what you have now. So in the parent table, uh, you might have, let us say, 40 columns. But whatever the table name he has given, okay, whatever the table name your DBA has given you, for that table name, you cannot differentiate between a view table and an original table, right? Did you understand this? So here you have something like we have written over here, select star from department table, select star from EMP table, right? And you can also see select star from Ashok table. Okay, everything is working fine. So do you know this Ashok table is a view or it is a non-view? It is a parent table. Can you judge it, Sasi Priya?
No,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes,
No,
sir.
you cannot judge it. Okay, so that is the purpose of view. So whenever you are working, most probably you are working with the views. You will never work with the original content, whatever the table is there. So that is the purpose of view. Okay, and the SQL code you will get once you try to insert with some non-null values are there. You are trying to insert some values at that time. You will get the SQL error code as minus 150. Okay, so this is about your view, guys. So anything you have, okay. So this is a non-updatable. So if you are getting minus 150, when you are trying to insert, it will be called as non-updatable view. Okay. And if you are inserting and if it is successful, okay, then you will have an updatable, right, guys? What is the purpose of view? How many types of views are there? How you are creating a view? So you are creating a view by giving this command: create view. A view name means the table name, new table name. As again, you select some of the columns from a table. So this will be over, right, guys? Yeah. So any doubts? Any doubts in this one? Yes. No doubts.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, once again repeat minus 150 error.
So what you did, minus one. Yeah. So over here, you know that if you can see this table, we have created a view with the Ashok table, and we told that select employee number, date of joining, and basic salary. From which table? The employee table. So you have an employee table over here, where here create employee table. So here, how many columns are there? We can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many columns are there. Okay, wherever you give the not null constraint, it means that compulsory there should be some values inside it, right? So you have employee number, so 100% there should be some values in. Not null means you it cannot be empty. Okay, so you are using employee number and date of joining, and let us say some last name or basic salary. These three only you are using as a view. Okay, when you try to insert some values inside only these three, the other stuff whatever is there in the parent table, so employee table will become your parent table, and your Ashok table whatever you have done, this will become a view table. Okay, this is your view. So this is an artificial name. Okay, such thing is not there, just we are doing some renaming of a table, certain columns. So whenever you are trying to insert only to a three columns, at that time you will have other stuff, other columns, all those things will be inserting null values. So it will not allow null values, because suppose if you say that EMP status is there, you did not create a view on EMP status, and you are trying to insert some values inside the date of joining and basic salary, suppose, then you will get an error which is called as minus 150, because EMP status and other the gender, age, these are compulsory, but you are not giving any value. At that time, it will create an error called minus 150. Suppose if the gender, age, and all those were not compulsory, suppose this not null constraint is not there, at that time it will accept the values. It will accept the values and reflect it in the EMP table also. Is it clear, Shane? Or else shall we create another table and give you an example?
Okay, sir. Create another table.
Okay.
Sir, one one table create, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Please tell me then, so it will be clear. Okay. So we will go to start and ds list, then exp dot yeah db2. Right? So let me go over here and create another table just for the view. So I will create one another table view view that is be saved, and I will go back. So let me go over here and go back and again create something called as VIEW view and close the braces and semicolons. Now let me enter. Okay, so this is empty, it is telling, no issues. Go back, right. So here, so please tell me how to create a table. What we will write for create, how do we
New.
create a table? Yeah, create what?
Create
Just
table.
tell me the command. Hmm? A table, then EMP.
Details are done.
Okay, EMP details, right?
Roll number, EMP num.
Okay, yeah, just number. Let us just take NO. I think
Int.
NO will be this one. So NUM we will tell, and int, okay, and name.
And
Name.
You
worker
wanted, okay. So name you have, right? So name will be varchar.
worker 10 or 20.
Yeah, then
And so salary.
salary, right? So salary, what you want to give?
So worker 10.
Varchar you will give, or int you will give, or numeric or decimal. Anything you can
Numeric,
give.
sir.
What is
Okay, sir. Numeric.
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 Numeric, I think it will be problem. It will
Numeric
so
10.
let me give a decimal.
Okay.
Decimal. Hmm. So over here, let us create a 5-digit decimal, out of which two digits, last two digits will be your so 3 digits, and some 3 digit salary will be last two digits will be your points. Okay. Next.
And
So do you
also
want to give
department
any?
number.
Then DPT department number you want to give, and it should be what, int or varchar?
Mark.
Varchar. Yes, Arvind. Whatever. So let us give int. No problem. Right. So we have created this table. Done. So now let me insert some values inside this table. Insert. Now how to insert? Please give me the statement of insert. Anyone of you?
Insert into.
Hmm?
Insert into employee table.
Insert into employee table, or you have employee details. Then
Values number.
Okay, you have none.
Number means like 101 something. Like
Okay, 101. Then
name.
okay, name, right?
Salary details.
Then salary will give, like I told you, 3 digits. So let me do like, yeah, 123 dot 12 we have given. Okay, and department number, which is int. So let me give again. Uh, so 101 we have given. So 201. Right. Okay. Done. So let me repeat this like 3 times. Is it possible? Yes. Okay, only for the demonstration purpose. So we have created this. Now I want to show you the table. So how do I show the table? Rajesh, I want to show this EMP details table. So Rajesh, what do we give the command for showing the complete table? Rajesh Garu.
sir.
Ah. So how do you see the complete table? Select
Start from employee.
Employee table.
uh, okay, details, right? Select star from employee details, right? इसके बाद now we have created this. Now we have to create a view. Suppose I want to create a view. I want to see only the name and the salary of a person. Okay. So how do you create a view, guys? View ఎలా create చేస్తారు? Huh?
Create view. Table name.
Some table name. So let us say view 1. Okay. Now what you will give the keyword? Padma, can you answer?
Yes.
Yes. Create view table name, then
S.
as, okay,
Select.
then yeah, then you have the select query. So we will select the name and then we will select what? The salary, suppose. Salary. Okay. So should we give it in brackets or without brackets? The name and salary, should we put it in brackets or without brackets?
Without brackets.
Without brackets. Okay. Now which table?
EM.
Okay. Now you want to see this view. So how you will do? Select what? Select star from, then from which
View
view?
View 1. View 1.
Yeah. So view 1. Okay. Now we will close it. Now let us execute this and see what it is telling. Illegal decimal.
Sir, you have to give 3 comma 2 sir in decimal.
3 comma 2. Why? Some symbols
Given.
refer to. No, I think the decimal. Okay, let me just remove that and give hint only. Some spelling mistake might be there. And let me remove this. Okay. So that will completely go to decimal fraction. Now let me submit. Spelling int. Why is it doing like that? Okay. I did not give a comma over here. Yes. Like this, small mistakes. Now I think it will work. Yeah. So this has worked now. So what is this? This is your select star from EMP details. So you have this num, and over here you have this department number and everything is there. So you have over here the 4 columns, which is num, name, salary, and the department number. Okay, now? Yes. Now we have created something called as view 1. So over here, what do you have? You only have the name and salary, right? So this is there, right? So any question in this one, this part? I think who asked? Shravani asked.
No,
Yeah.
sir. Understood.
Yeah. So I think this part. Yeah, Shivani. Haga. So I think this part is clear. Now let us go and insert some values. Yes.
Sir, then what is the difference between select and view? We can in select we can choose the column names also. Then we can retrieve the those selected columns.
So what is the difference between select and view? You are telling, or what?
Yeah, sir.
No, select is just for select.
Maybe,
So, you want to show
we
it. You
can
want to.
retrieve.
Huh.
Yeah, by using select, we can retrieve all the columns from the table, or else we
Yeah,
can select the particular columns also by using select.
yeah. So you are only selecting what is already there. Okay.
Okay.
So you are telling view. View you are creating. This is just creation. So you are selecting from a thing which is already created. Suppose if you are going to a shopping mall and buying a chocolates, so there should be a shopping mall to buy chocolates. So you are retrieving chocolates. You are a select command. So there should be a shopping mall to take the chocolates. So this is creating the table, and this you are just selecting the table. Okay. So this is
Yeah.
completely different. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we want to insert something inside our table. This view1 is there, right? So we want to insert something. So let us give some insert statements. Yeah. How do you give insert statements? Inside the view.
Insert into
What should I?
view one
हाँ ठीक है. Insert into the view one, right?
values.
Then okay,
Values.
values. So what values you want to give? The name is
Some
there
other
and
name.
salary is there. Give
Yes, sir.
some name. Yeah. So let us give Shivani then some another name and some salary. So let us give like 3 to 1 some salary, right? So if we close and give colons, and if I repeat this like for 2 times, yeah. So totally 3 times we have entered Shivan, right? So let us see the select star from view one, right? We are seeing the select star from view one. After inserting the table, I want to see select star from which table? The parent table also. So this is what employee D, right? So we want to see if we are inserting something inside this view, then is it reflecting in our employee details or not? This is our purpose, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Reflecting.
So what it is telling me is duplicate. So for this duplicate, what we have to do? -601. What we have to do?
Drop the table.
Yeah, you have to drop table, and which table you will drop? EMP details, right? So after dropping, what you have to do?
Commit.
Commit. Yeah. Right. So this will work.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we have dropped and we have created. So you can see the employee details. Okay. EMP details. We have Bhushan and department number, salary, and all those things are there. Right. So we have created a view. Okay, we have inserted Shivani 3 times and we have created a view. So you want to see the view. So inside a view, what is there? You have Bhushan, 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 Shivani, Shivani, Shivani. All these things are there. So inside a view, you can insert, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
understood? Okay. Now, what will it show in the employee details? So we have given name and salary. What place of num and department number in place of
Null
Shivani?
values.
Null values. So how do you see? In place of Shivani, here in the num and the department number, it is showing the null values which is given by these dashes, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, here we are changing, we are updating the values in the view table. Then it was taking the null values in the parent table. That's it only, sir.
So what all columns you did not mention in the view table, Migita columns, everything it is taking null value, the rest of the column in the parent table. So this is the parent table from where you have created a view. You have created a view only for the name and this salary, right? So you,
Yes,
here
sir.
you are getting, yeah. So other stuff it is doing like this. What other stuff, whatever is there, it is taking as null value. So except the name and salary, if you are entering, it is entering a complete row, huh? And it is taking null values because in that view it is not there. Okay. So suppose, so I think this you have understood. If you are inserting inside a view table, you are inserting also in the parent table. the changes made in the view table is reflected in the parent table also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. So the name and salary, we want to make it as compulsory statements. So to make it compulsory, the name and salary, what we have to give? Not null, right? And salary also, we want to give something like not null. Okay. And then if we are inserting, will it give any error? Will it give any
Yes,
error,
sir.
guys?
Error 150.
No, because so already name and salary. Yes,
Sir, can you hear my voice?
yes, I can hear your voice, Sandeep.
Okay, sir. Okay. Just now you told one example, no, sir, about view and select statement.
Huh?
Can you tell again?
What example? Shopping mall example.
I think somebody
Okay.
asked
Yes, yes, yes.
select statement and
Yeah, yeah. So,
statement.
so let me complete this. Yes, let me complete this, and then we will go to your. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
your. Yeah. So here you have done what? This is your not null. What name and salary both are not null, right? So you are inserting what values?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, actually, my friend got call from Wipro and they were asking about payroll company name. What should we
Okay.
say?
No, who is your friend? I think I don't know your friend. Yeah?
Swapna got
Swapna.
yeah.
Okay. So you got
Call.
the experience letter.
Yes, yes.
So in that, whatever name is there, you can give that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So about this one, please speak about this one. Whatever you think others about. So this name and salary, these are compulsory. These we have given not null, and we are inserting. That's why it is not giving you minus 150 error. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, done. So now if we change this, so salary you can give null values, no problem. But the department here, if we give the not null constraint, if we give not null, now will it insert? Will it insert this?
No, sir.
What error it will show? Minus 150. Okay, because you have missed inside your view one of the not null constraint. Okay, is it clear? I think Shivani, you had doubt. Is it clear, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Very faint, yes. If you do not understand, you can ask. I don't have any problem in telling multiple times. Okay. So if you have this department number also added over here inside a view, then you will not. Yeah. So Shankar sir will join in a minute. Please be responsive. Don't be like this. So I will share him the link. Please respond, everyone.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, whatever the changes we make in view table, they will be reflected in parent table.
Yes, 100%. They will
If
be
we make any
reflected if you
changes
have.
in parent table,
If you make changes in parent table, it will be reflected in the view table. So we can do that also. Yeah.
and even
So over
it's
here,
for deletion also.
yeah, even deletion, updation, union, everything, it will behave just like a normal table. You won't find any difference. So if you think
Okay, sir.
like if here I have given SUR, okay, and if you just put like this, and you see, okay, I have not dropped. Yeah, I think sir is here, sir. You can speak to him.
Hello. Yeah, Sudhir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
So, guys, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Yes, fine. Ma. Please use the chat box each and everyone. So, I hope each and everyone received the documents. Yes or no? So, please use the chat box. Each and everyone received the experience documents or not?
Yes, sir.
All people are having the experience documents.
Yes, sir.
So, I
Yes,
am
sir.
asking each and everyone. So, next, Naukari upload. So, Naukari completed or Monitor both. Don't depending upon one website. Like I also shared the some requirement in this. Yes, uploaded or uploaded. No, Elia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why Elia you are not uploaded? Why? What is the reason?
Sir, my resume yet to be confirmed, sir. It will be.
Suresh.
I sent to.
Yes, sir. I sent it to Naresh sir, sir. I prepared his resume. I sent it to Naresh sir. He did not confirm that. I think he will confirm by today or
Guys,
tomorrow.
today no, so many people are there.
Yes.
Rajesh, Bhushan. So like Elia, Bhushan, Manohar, Rajesh. 4 members are not uploaded.
Yes, sir. I have sent their resumes to Naresh sir. So I think he will do so.
So today I will discuss with the Naresh sir also. Mostly today, guys, you people are getting the profiles also. So please updated that. Okay. So first of all, like today, Mahendra got the offer letter. Congratulations, Mahendra. Yes, and mostly Balakrishna also ready to get the offer letter. Day after tomorrow, joining for Balakrishna also. Congratulations, Balakrishna. And some people are on process only. Some people are uploaded the documents waiting for result like that. So please uploading the each and everyone. Today, Alia, Bhushan, Manohar and Rakesh. So today I will give the profiles to you before 8 p.m. Before 6 p.m. you are unable to get your profile, please call me. Don't forget that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
At any cost, today I will give the profiles. Rather than this, all people are attending the classes regularly.
Yes, sir. They are attending regularly.
So guys, Monday onwards we are ready to start the offline classes. Are you comfortable for offline? Please mention offline or online. What class you required, offline or online? So please type
Offline.
each
Online.
and everyone.
Offline, sir.
Please type
Offline, sir.
offline. Last year online. Online. So last year online. Any more? So all peoples are so Monday mostly 10:30 to 11 or 11 o'clock. I think you peoples are having the class. So please come 10 o'clock. So after your Jayanti Madam class, again we will ready to take the class. So please available in office morning 9 to up to 5 o'clock. No issue. Nobody will be coming. So we don't have any class for freshers level up to now. So in future, I don't know. So you people are only coming. So please plan for that. Monday we are ready to start the offline classes. Sir also available morning to evening.
Yes, sir.
So anyone having any problem? So that Lasha, please call me, ma. I will discuss with you. Rather than all people are ready to attend the offline classes. Yes or no? Okay. And guys,
Yes, sir.
mostly each and every one. I hope so. Based upon your interest, based upon your attention. So mostly here, all people are get the jobs in this month only. So please ready for with amounts also. Once inform your parents also. Mostly today or tomorrow I will call you each and everyone. I want to discuss with your parents also. Once inform your parents. Of course, I discussed all. I already discussed. Okay. So regarding this, right now we are discussing only, guys. Anyone having any small queries also regarding payment, regarding this upcoming process, please ask me. Why? Because I am the correct person for you for giving the better answer, better solution for your problem. I'm not asking about your personal problems. I am asking for your professional problems only. Puja? Guys, anyone having